In this video, I'll talk about how to call a table in Power Query. I have two tables. The first one is sales data that contains a bunch of columns. The first column is order date, second column is salespersons, and the third column is sales amount. And the second table named salespersons contains the salespersons column. In this table, I will call the first table, which is sales data. So let's start. To call the first table sales data, I will go to add column and I will click on custom column. A box will appear. Here I will write the first table name sales data. I will click OK. You can see I have a new column and in each row I have the entire table. This is my inner table and this is my outer table. But I want the table of matching value. I mean in the first row I want the table that contains the salesperson Akash. In the second row I want the table that contains the salesperson Amit Dash and so on. Let me go back to my query by clicking on the gear icon. Here I will write a function which is table.selectRows. The first argument is table as a table. I have already the table. And the second argument is condition as a function. Here I will declare a variable. You can write any name. I have written I, which indicates the inner table because I have inner table in each row. Now I will write equal and greater than sign to go to my function. The condition is if the inner table salesperson is equal to the salespersons of outer table. I'll close the bracket and click OK. You can see I have the table of matching value. If I click on the blank space of second row, you can see this is the table of Amit Dash. If I click on the blank space of third row, this is the table of Ashraful. Now I can do any kind of calculation. For example, I want to sum the sales amount. So I will call the sales amount column. To call the column, I will write the column name in the square bracket, sales amount. I'll close the square bracket and click OK. Now the table has been converted into a list. So I'll write the list.sum function, list.sum. I'll close the bracket and close the bracket and I will change the column name total sales amount and click OK. Now I have the total sales amount of each salesperson. If I want to find the transaction number of each salesperson, I will copy the formula and go to add column again and click on custom column. Here the column name will be transaction number. I will paste my previous formula, just change the function list.count. I'll click OK and you can see I have a new column which is transaction number and each row contains the transaction number of each salesperson. I hope you like this video. Thank you.